This wasn't here, but now they're injecting 5G towers in the end. Okay, cool. That's it. Now we're fucking gonna die.
What's that all about?
I don't know.
Why is there dead dogs everywhere?
I don't know. It's such a shame, isn't it?
Yeah, but they're talking about dead animals everywhere. Like something's going on, and they reckon it's to do with the 5G. How's these animals just dying?
Tree there, with loads of birds in it. Look, there's literally loads of birds flying around, but on the floor, and they're literally falling out the tree as we're speaking. Literally falling out the tree. They're everywhere. Falling out the tree dead, one after the other. You know what I mean? It's weird, man. Look, that was still alive. Still trying. Somehow or somehow not.
I'm going through fish ponds in Bristol, and listen to that meter. They put a brand new transmitter right in the middle of the street here, and people coming up and down this road are getting absolutely hammered. Listen to that go, it's right at the top of the meter. Look at that. It doesn't get much higher than that, and look what it is. That's what we're going past. It is outrageous.